Do you have a table in a PDF file and need to import it into Excel? Instead of manually typing everything, I'll show you a quick and easy way to do it using Excel's built-in tool. Let's get started. Here's the table we want to import. It contains columns like surname, other names, age, and class. To bring this into Excel, open a new workbook and click anywhere you want the table to appear. Next, go to the Data tab. Click Get Data, select From File, and choose from PDF. Locate and open your PDF file. Then click Import and wait a moment while Excel processes it. A navigator window will appear showing all the tables and pages detected in your PDF. Find the one with your data, select it, and preview the contents. Once you've confirmed it's correct, click Load, and Excel will insert the data directly into your worksheet. And just like that, your PDF table is now in Excel, no typing required. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more Excel tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.